why my chest still hurts.
Yes.
I spent 10,000 on these chains that bind, but I'm still petrified of going broke. There's someone gorgeous in my bed tonight, but I'm still petrified that I'll die alone. I'm just so sick of being human. Well, I'm just so sick of being. Well, I'm just so sick of being human. Well, I'm just so sick of being. Oh, nah, oh, yeah, nah, yeah. My mother calls, I have no time to talk. I can find the time to drink and smoke. Took 15 hits till I can barely walk. I threw up on the lawn, I can't find my phone. I've got no nuts to tell the one I love that she's the reason that I wrote this song. And that's some coward shit, I know it's us. Parker, call me when you hear this song. I'm just so sick of being human. Well, I'm just so sick of being. I'm just so sick of being human. Well, I'm just so sick of being. Oh, nah, oh, yeah, nah, yeah. Well, I got GPS on my phone, but I'm not here. And I can follow it to get home, I'm not here. And my location's never unknown, I'm not here. They tell me why I still feel lost, tell me why I still feel. Tell me why I still feel human. Me, I wake before the morning light, before the darkness opens up its doors to light. And in these moments I can feel everything. Well, in the feeling and the turning in, look in reflection and dissection of the ways I've sinned. And I am just a boy who's scared. Well, me versus me, it is my only fight. I'm in no place to really talk it all or give advice on what anyone should be or anyone should do it all. Hey, wait a minute. Let me sit with it, 'cause I know I can find a way through. Hey, this is just pain. And pain can have a name, and this one is the same. And every storm runs out of rain too. Well, in the moments, in the space between, the morning light, it seems to swerve and merge inside of me. And in these places I don't feel so alone. Well, I'm still learning how to love myself, The shame and guilt I carry on my back needs to be shelved. If I'm to live a day past now, hey, wait a minute. Let me sit with it, 'cause I know I can find a way through. Hey, yeah, this is just pain. And pain can have a name, and this one is the same. And every storm runs out of rain too. And our weight is low, now as I have to. If your love is what I get back to, it isn't up to us, it's the gods that made them clear. But if it takes a lifetime, I'll put my life in your hands. Say, hey, wait a minute. Let me sit with it, 'cause I know I can find a way through. Hey, yeah, this is just pain. And pain can have a name, and this one is the same. And every storm runs out of rain too. Well, pain can have a name, and this one is the same. And every storm run out of rain too. Thank you guys so much. God